What if you could grow your audience, generate leads, and make money online, all without showing your face, editing a single video, or spending more than 10 minutes a day? Sounds impossible, right? But this is exactly what the AI video viral system does. It's the same system I use to publish daily, build my brand, and wake up to real results consistently. Before we dive in, take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Every week, I share shortcuts, tools, and strategies that help creators and entrepreneurs automate content, drive traffic, and make sales without burning out. So if you're serious about growing online, this is where it starts. Now, let me show you how the system works. You get a professionally written video script designed to hook your audience and keep them watching. You also get a scroll-stopping headline, a thumbnail prompt built to drive clicks, SEO tags, and a full YouTube description, all tailored to your niche. And it's all delivered to you in a ready-to-go Google Drive folder. From there, you simply record the voice using ElevenLabs or upload the script into HeyGen. And just like that, your AI avatar brings your message to life. No editing, no camera, no stress. In less than 10 minutes, you've created a powerful, faceless YouTube video that's built to perform. You can publish daily, feed the YouTube algorithm, and drive traffic directly into your funnel, your opt-in, your offer, whatever you're building. Whether you're selling digital products, booking clients, or growing your email list, this system works, even if you've never made a video before. So here's your next step. If you want to start creating content that actually grows your audience and brings in money without wasting hours or hiring a team, just comment the words AI video below. I'll send you a free custom script tailored to your niche and walk you through how this system can work for you. Again, just comment AI video right now to get started, or even better, be certain to click on the link in the description. And don't stop here, watch the next video. I'll show you how to automate the publishing process so your entire content machine runs on autopilot.